Eggs are a powerful source of essential B vitamins, offering a concentrated package of nutrients that are foundational to the body's ability to produce energy, protect the brain, and repair its genetic code. While they are often celebrated for their protein content, eggs are just as impressive for their richness in B-complex vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, cobalamin, and vitamin B2, riboflavin, nutrients that are not only vital for short-term vitality, but also play critical roles in long-term health and aging resilience. Vitamin B12 is perhaps the most neurologically protective of all B vitamins. It is required for the formation of myelin, the insulating sheath that surrounds nerves and ensures rapid, clear communication throughout the nervous system. Without adequate B12, the brain becomes vulnerable to cognitive decline, memory loss, mood disorders, and even structural atrophy. As people age, the risk of B12 deficiency increases due to diminished stomach acid, which impairs absorption. Eggs provide a gentle and highly absorbable form of B12, helping to maintain mental clarity, emotional stability, and nerve health across the lifespan. Riboflavin, vitamin B2, another standout nutrient in eggs, plays a pivotal role in mitochondrial function, the very engines that power each cell. It acts as a coenzyme in redox reactions that convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy. In practical terms, this means that without sufficient riboflavin, even a well-fed body can feel chronically fatigued. Riboflavin also supports the body's natural antioxidant systems, particularly glutathione, helping to reduce oxidative damage to DNA and cellular structures. This makes it not only an energy nutrient, but also a key ally in slowing the cellular wear and tear associated with aging. Other B vitamins in eggs, including folate, B9, pyridoxine, B6, and pantothenic acid, B5, further amplify the metabolic and regenerative benefits. Folate and B6 are essential for methylation, a biochemical process that governs detoxification, neurotransmitter synthesis, and epigenetic regulation. Pantothenic acid supports adrenal health and hormone production, both of which are vital in managing the physical and emotional stresses of aging. Collectively, these B vitamins ensure that cellular energy remains high, repair mechanisms stay active, and mood and cognition are preserved, an elegant trifecta for graceful aging. What sets eggs apart as a B vitamin source is their completeness and balance. While many foods provide 1 or 2 B vitamins in high amounts, eggs deliver a wide spectrum in a natural matrix that supports absorption and synergy. The yolk, in particular, is rich in fat-soluble components that enhance the bioavailability of these water-soluble nutrients. This whole food context likely makes a difference in how the body utilizes these vitamins, especially in individuals whose digestion or metabolism is less efficient with age. From an anti-aging perspective, the B vitamin profile of eggs supports some of the most fundamental protective mechanisms in the human body. They help preserve mitochondrial integrity, reduce inflammation, modulate stress hormones, and maintain neurogenesis. These are not abstract benefits. They translate directly into better focus, sharper memory, stronger resilience against disease, and a more youthful metabolic state. Moreover, eggs are a practical solution to widespread micronutrient gaps. B12, for example, is absent in plant-based foods unless they are fortified, making eggs an essential source for ovo-vegetarians or those transitioning to more plant-heavy diets. Just one egg can provide roughly 20% of the recommended daily intake of B12 and nearly 30% of riboflavin, making even modest daily consumption a meaningful contribution to overall micronutrient adequacy. In a world where energy levels are often low, memory is increasingly strained, and chronic disease is on the rise, the B vitamins in eggs offer a quietly powerful countermeasure. They fuel the core processes that allow every cell to thrive, adapt, and recover. By regularly including eggs in the diet, one doesn't just support nutrition, they support the machinery of life itself, from DNA to mitochondria to the human mind.